What's up, traders? This is your boy Marv, the man, the myth, the professor, coming at you with another trading recap on what I took today. So as we normally do, let's go ahead and start with the market. Got to see what that's looking like, okay? Okay, so here is, let me go to the daily on the Dow. Here's the Dow, and this is a good day. This is a good day. We got this little gap up, especially considering all the craziness that's been going on, but we got this little gap up. And you know, we got some movement, man, and here it is. Now it's challenging that 200. Okay, so what do we want to see? We want to see it get here. We want to see tomorrow or by the end of this week, we want to see it close above here. Okay, this is if you're into a bullish market, right? And we want to see this get back in that direction. The next thing we want to see is this 8 MA, and really some people don't use that. I just like to have, because I day trade, I have a smaller MA on my chart. We want to see this 8 MA cross the 200, and then we want to see this 20 MA. This is the most important one, cross the 200. And there's going to be some ebb and flow. It's going to come up and it's going to come back, but that's what we want to see if we want to see this market get back to where it was. And it's looking pretty good. This is good, man. I'm just telling you, higher low, higher low, higher low. This is good news, right? So hopefully this thing can keep working in that direction. Because when the market's moving and everybody's happy and buying, this creates a ton of opportunity. Okay, ton of opportunity. All right, the SPY should not look too much different, and it doesn't. As we stated, okay, and here it's trying to beat this this area of 313, and it's you know, it's pushing. The next area for it to beat will be here in the 20s, the low 20s. But yeah, we already got the moving average cross of the 20. Of the 8 MA over the 200, and now here comes the 20. And so those are good signs, as I stated. This is looking good. Okay, so good. I just wanted to go ahead and go over that. So what did I trade today? There was a couple things moving, man. It was a couple things moving. I took four trades, and I won all four of them. But two of them the execution on it was bad. But such is life. I'll still take the money. Thank you. All right, so let's go ahead and I'm going to share my screen. So the first stock that we want to talk about is GSUM. Okay. So what was it said? I said stock is moving on earnings report news, has a first buy at 103 and a second buy at 88.5. Okay. So what happens? All right, here we go. It comes in. You see I was basing it off of these wicks here. That dropped down to 101. I decided that 103 was a great area. And so what did it do, man? Let me go ahead and click into the 3-minute time frame. Look, it came right to our entry and boom. Excuse me, then it ran, man. So right off the bat, we had a pretty interesting and good play. Okay, so I'm happy with that. The next stock that I was trading, well, I can't remember, it's either going to be Seco or I forgot the other one, but it'll show up. Sorry about that. This all blends into one. So Seco, I was right. Seco. All right, game plan. Stock is moving on partnership news and has a first buy at 354 and a second buy at 295. So Seco, here's what Seco did. It actually opened up and it ran up here. Okay, so when it does that, see, here's the original first buy for me, which is right at $4 base. $4. The problem was it was opening a little closer than I wanted, so I was gonna let it. I let the first candle shake out. So if it went up, I said, okay, if it goes up, I'll buy it at $4. No problem. If it does not go up, then I'll hit it to the second buy area. Okay. So here's what I did. I got in, and I got in right here in the 395-ish area, and it bounced real quick, but it didn't give me enough to make the run that I was looking for. So I cut it a winner. Okay. And I got executed, like literally I put my limit order in and it executed part of it, not all of it. And so I had to mark it out before the stock started, as you can see, dropping. But I still got out of there for a small win. Okay. Then I said, don't forget 354. Okay. So that area went up a couple cents, and right here 357 it ran right into that, and this is where we got the 5% play. It was that was good. That worked out very well for us, so I can't complain about that. The next stock that I traded was WISA, WISA, and WISA did this for me. Okay, so tech stock moving on. Weak tech news. I didn't think the news was very good. It's fading a bit and has multiple entries and will take the best entry pending price action at the open. Okay, so what did I mean by that? So look at this. This thing ran up and then it starts to fade. So the first place you can get it is at 333, but the problem is it opened way too close for my liking. So I'm like, nah, I'm not going to touch it at 333. The next logical place was at the whole number 294 area. At the whole number, if you go to the 3-minute or 5-minute time frame, you'd see candles that supported it. So I said, okay, the next area that I'll buy is this area. Did it come here? Yes, it did. And when it did it bounce? Yes, it did. So this was the second win, or excuse me, wait, I was two is, yeah. So this was the fourth win right here on the day. And yeah, man, and it's all simple. It's all basically textbook stuff that I basically do. I'm not doing anything special. My process is my same process day in, day out. I buy key areas, period. I buy key areas on stocks that's moving. Okay, and that's what I did. And so I did it to the tune of 4 wins. Very good day. I think an overall percent, I have no idea. I really don't even know. Maybe 9, 10, 11%. I have no idea. I don't even worry about it anymore. I just execute. That's all I care about. Execution and efficiency. As long as I do my job right, even if I lose, I'm okay with the process, with the result, because I worked my process. That's the key. Once you become disciplined to your process, success will follow if you have something that is actually a successful working strategy. All right, y'all. I'm tired, man. I'm sorry. I apologize. I just got through working out, so I'm a little spent, but it's all good. Hey, I'll see you guys tomorrow, man. This week is flying by. It's been a very good week for me. I'm very happy. Don't forget, like, subscribe, man. You need to like and subscribe to this content. Comment. I respond to everybody. If you say something to me that makes sense, I'll respond to you. If it don't make sense, I don't know what you're talking about, I'm going to give you a thumbs up, but I still responded to you, right? So, yeah, man, y'all keep it up. Stay on the right train. I'll catch y'all tomorrow. Have a nice one.